So in this activity, we are going to be designing walls, okay? And so what we're doing is we're going to be looking at the materials that make up the wall instead of just the faces like we have been so far. So far, throughout the school year, we've looked at only the faces that make up the walls, and we've looked from the top down, okay? We have not looked at the materials that make up the wall and what the wall looks like from the inside. And so that's what we're going to do with this activity. We're learning about some building components and the structures that go in through it. So we're going to use the AutoCAD software to create a wall section of an unfinished garage. Okay. So for example, we have a finished wall on the classroom walls, and so one side has drywall on the inside, and what we're doing on ours doesn't have drywall on the inside. So I'm going to repeat. We're going to use the AutoCAD software, and we're going to create a wall section. What our wall section needs, it needs to have footers or footings, and so we're drawing all the way down in the ground so we can see how the wall reacts. We got to have our rebar that runs through our footings. We need a 6-inch thick, 8-inch tall concrete wall, a 4-inch thick concrete slab, 1.5 by 12.5 J anchor bolts. Okay, so that's how we connect our concrete to our floors, with these J anchor bolts. We need a 2 by 6 treated sole plate, a 2 by 4 sill bottom plate, studs that are at 92 5/8 inches. We need 5/8 inch exterior sheathing for both the wall and the roof. We'll need siding, 2 by 10 rafters and 2 by 10 ceiling joists, tar paper, drip edge, fascia board, soffit, roofing materials such as shingles. Okay, we need to, when we make this, I want you to use layers. So layers, so maybe we have wall components on one layer, roof components on another, and then we need to annotate it. Okay, and how I want you to turn it in, I want you to turn in the finished CAD section on Classroom. So that is what we're doing with this activity. So hopefully this makes sense. All right, good luck to you.